top level is input. We set this top level as input. We select this DWG file and run it, and as you can see, all the slab and opening created. Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. Step 1. Check for closed and continuous line, and we check all element. Number 2, verify layer names and organization. Now we import this DWG file and set unit and place DWG file at the current coordinate. Remove this DWG file to current coordinate and set it to right position and location. Okay. We pin DWG it. Now in the Dynamo space, we select, we get select model, and we select DWG file. And number 2, extract curve from CAD layers. CAD point curves from CAD layers. We get a string and right or layer for a slab layer. As you can see, this layer we need to flatten this curve, and we need Python script and Revit. We copy and paste this Python script. This Python script is located in Patreon channel, and you use it. This script convert line to polyline, and we need join this line, this polyline to curve to PolyCurve. By join curve, we create our PolyCurve. Now we copy and paste this section for opening, for define and drawing opening in our models. As you can see, this curve created, and next step is unify geometry with PolyCurve by join, and select two reference level. This level is top of the slab, and copy another select level. This is bottom Masoud level. This is located at the top level. We need floor by outline type to create a slab floor. We select floor type and connect floor type to floor type and polygon to outline and top level to level, and run this code. As you can see, create floor layer. As you can see, this is slab created, but opening not created. Okay, we use opening by type and pass and levels, run it. We run again. As you can see, we run it, this code again. As you can see, a slab created and opening created. We set level and type floor and select model and string and name layer. Set this node, define it as input, and As you can see, I think this Dynamo file is completed, and now time we run Dynamo player and we select the location of this file and select this file and run floor revision 1. As you can see, we this button, this top level is not shown. We must create edit the Dynamo and top level is input. We set this top level as input. We select this DWG file and run it, and as you can see, all slab and opening created.